Hi, Franz. Let's continue our discussion on loading and unloading for Earth technology, which is SMR technology that can help reduce your CO2 footprint. What are some other questions or concerns that you have been asked regarding unloading Earth?
Yes, so there's a bit of history regarding structured catalyst and SMR. So there's or was, because it's discontinued now, a non-Clariant product out there, which is a straight up structured catalyst. So that is basically a self-supporting structure all the way for the tube, fits exactly the SMR tubes. And that was difficult to get out as tubes bend during operation. So if it's one rigid piece, you can imagine that's difficult once the SMR tube is bent. So for some that was very difficult, and for some tubes even impossible. So you had to take the whole tube out. So people are afraid that this is, a similar situation here.
And this is not the Earth design, correct? Earth is different and more easily removable.
Yeah, correct. So Earth is different, exactly, also because of, with those aspects in mind, to have enough give and take to pull out the entire insert back out, even if the tube is bent. So it obviously helps that we have sections in the structured catalyst. So from 20 centimeters to like a meter, like 3 feet roughly tall. So that already helps to get around curvatures in the SMR tube. And then also the structured catalyst itself is folded or foiled in a way that it has a give, a flexibility, because it needs to expand and contract with the SMR tube anyway. That also helps to get around any curvature. So that's why it's different.
Okay, and so this is important if you are reaching end of run with your catalyst and you need to get out all of the catalyst. But why else could it be important to have the catalyst in sections?
Yeah, the sections are certainly helpful when you have a dumping event. So something happens upstream, like a waste heat boiler leak or a rupture or just some other event that dumps poisons or some crud that doesn't belong onto the catalyst into the SMR. So if you catch that quick enough and you shut it down, you do not have to basically unload the entire thing, remove the roof again, bring in the crane and so forth, but you basically just remove the top pieces, the top sections of the structural catalyst that were affected by whichever poison or mineral, let's say, that was dumped, and then replace it with fresh sections, and button it back up, and you're good to go again.
Awesome. So in the event that someone's worried about getting the structured catalyst out, the Earth design, it is designed to be easily removable in either pieces or the entire tube. And that is how it was designed. Is that right?
Exactly. That's how it was designed.
Okay, thanks, Franz. Have a great day.
Yeah, thanks, you too.